Hi guys, welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing of electronic garbage can. This is from a Joybos company and I bought it from Amazon. Let's start by opening this box. So inside there's this instruction, and it takes 4 AA battery, and this is a smart touchless motion sensor bathroom trash can. Here is the compartment for the battery. This is a switch on and off. I have here my rechargeable batteries. Just remember, this direction of the batteries is the negative side and positive. Okay. And then turn this cover. Most of this cover, the weak point is this clip, so always be careful. Remove this, and oops. Okay, so this is the sensor. So to align this one with the hole. Alright, so let's try to, oops, well, this is working. So now that it's set up, we have to, of course, put a liner inside. And this is just a 3.8 gallon garbage can. What I have here is for 10, so it's way too big for this can. So for the demo purpose, I have to cut some of the excess plastic, but I will buy a proper liner. I will cut the excess, and so now it's a little bit shorter. Okay, let's put this inside. Look at this, and like that, and that, yeah. And there's a hole here where you can insert the excess plastic. Right, then let's cover it. Oops. You saw that one? Alright, let's repeat that process so that you can see. Let's see. Earlier it was like this. Let's try this. When I insert like this, let's see if it will work. So let's see. Let's put it here. Oops. See? It lined up properly. Alright. For the distance of the sensor, so this high, so let me see, it's around 14 inches. Let's try again. Yeah, Let's see. One more testing from the top. Yeah, 14 inches. That's high enough, that's high enough, which is good, so that you don't have to bend too much. And then for the angle, let's see. Yep, that's how close the angle, around 1 inch, or at what it says in the user manual or direction is 20 degrees angle sensor, but I can see it's like 1 inch distance from the side. One more, so 1 inch distance from the side. Yeah, 1 inch. So the opening, 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006. So around 6 seconds to close. And don't force this to open or close, so you don't damage the gear of this cover. When it open, don't force it to close. So yeah, there are some troubleshooting if some malfunctioning is happening. It says here if it can't open normally, so check the battery if it's installed properly, or clean the sensor, this one. Maybe it's blocked with the dust or dirt. So it also says if lid opens slower than usual, you have to replace the battery. So those are the two issues with that might arise. Or if it really don't open at all, maybe someone forced this and then the gear got damaged. I think the only issue here that I can see is the lid or the cover is too small. But yeah, tissue paper is just small, but still just a chance of not putting them in properly. And yeah, sensitivity, it's really sensitive, like 14 inches. So anyway, that's how it works. It's good. It's really a good product from Joybos, and I hope you like this vlog. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.